My dear students, in advanced accounting in third semester BCom Usmania University, we have first unit as partnership accounts. My dear students, here number of times we have listened the word partnership in many contexts. Partnership is nothing but it's an association of two or more persons who agrees to do the business jointly and who also agrees to share profits and losses as per agreed ratio. My dear students, this kind of partnership kind of business is very common nowadays. Actually, before the partners commence business, they have to make an agreement. The agreement between the partners is known as partnership deed. My dear students, there is one Indian Partnership Act 1932 which governs partnership firms. Actually, the partnership deed will be in written form and it should be registered. The partnership deed contains the particulars like name of the firm, name of the partners, name of the business, place of the business, capital contributed by the partners, interest on capital. If any remuneration is given to active partner, that we will show. Then profit sharing ratio, one of the important thing. And if any partner lends any money to the partnership business, how interest is being given to him. Then my dear students, at the time of admission of partner, what kind of adjustments that we have to made. Then dissolution of the firm. If any partner retires, what is the accounting treatment we have to do, how to treat goodwill. These are the eminent particulars which we are going to show, and also the place of the partnership business and all. My dear students, actually the partnership deed is mandatory. Actually, sometimes if any partnership deed is not there, if they have commenced business, then what they have to do is they have to share profits and losses equally. No interest on capital will be allowed, no interest on drawings will be charged, and the partners has to share profits and losses equally, my dear students. After that, if any partner lends any money, no interest will be given to them actually. See, that is all about partnership deed. In partnership business, partnership deed plays a vital role. Partnership deed is agreement between the partners, my dear students. And one more thing, my dear students, I want to say, actually there are two kinds of capital accounts of the partners. They are fixed capital account, number two fluctuating capital account. In case of fixed capital account, whatever capital which is introduced at the beginning of the year, the same will be remaining the same capital at the end of the year. But whereas in case of fluctuating capital, the partners are allowed to take whatever amount as drawings and all adjustments will be done in capital accounts. But whereas in case of fixed capital accounts, my dear students, we have to prepare various kinds of partners current accounts we have to prepare, my dear students. Here actually the partnership business is more familiar. As I said, there is Indian Partnership Act 1932. As per that act, what are the contents of the partnership deed and how it should be registered, everything is mentioned. My dear students, there are various kinds of partners in a partnership business, like active partner will be there. He takes active role in the business. He is called as a active partner. And my dear students, like sleeping partner, partner by estoppel, minor partner means a partner who is below the age of 18 years is known as minor partner likewise. So my dear students, at a glance what I want to say is partnership deed is agreement between the partners. My dear students, the minimum number of persons required to commence the partnership business is 2 and the maximum number of persons is 20. But whereas in case of banking related business, the maximum number is restricted to 10 only. Okay, my dear students, the act which is related to partnership firms is Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay, my dear students, then there are two kinds of capital accounts. They are fixed capital account and fluctuating capital. In case of fixed capital account, we have to open current accounts for the purpose of making all adjustments to the capital. This is at a glance. Partnership is a association of business. Actually, this is association of two or more persons who agrees to do business by making an agreement and agreeing to share profits and losses of the business. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for watching. Please like my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.